Introduction. Unveiling the lost letters of Elias Lindenwold to a dear friend living with MECFS. In the heart of an ancient oakwood desk, tucked away from the world for decades, a hidden treasure lay waiting to be discovered. These treasures were a collection of heartfelt letters penned by a compassionate soul named Elias Lindenwold. Elias was a man shrouded in mystery, renowned for his kind and understanding nature, yet a recluse who kept his life's work and wisdom closely guarded. Recently, a serendipitous turn of events led to the unearthing of these long-lost letters. Stored away in a dusty attic of an old Bavarian manor, they were preserved through the passage of time, waiting for the moment when their message of empathy and hope would find its rightful audience. Through the miracles of chance and fate, these letters found their way into the hands of the Compassion Matters YouTube channel, a sanctuary for those seeking solace and understanding in the midst of life's challenges. It was as if the universe conspired to bring Elias Lindenwold's compassionate words to light once more, making them available exclusively on this channel for the benefit of all concerned. Within these letters, Elias has poured out his heart to a dear friend living with MECFS, offering comfort, understanding, and the warmth of true friendship. His words were a balm for the wounds of isolation and a beacon of light amidst the darkness of chronic illness. With each page turned, a journey of connection and empathy unfolds, as Elias shares not only his profound insights but also his own vulnerabilities and struggles. His words resonate deeply, for they were born from a place of lived experience and genuine compassion. As you embark on this intimate journey through the rediscovered letters, you will find a rare glimpse into the soul of Elias Lindenwold. You will witness the unfolding of a friendship that transcends time and space and discover the enduring power of compassion to heal and uplift the human spirit. In these letters, Elias emerges not only as a philosopher and writer, but as a true friend, a friend who understood the struggles of living with MECFS and offered unwavering support to someone facing the challenges of chronic illness. May this treasure trove of letters serve as a guiding light for all who walk the path of chronic illness, illuminating the way with the wisdom of compassion and the embrace of understanding. It is with great honor and privilege that Compassion Matters shares these letters, ensuring that Elias Lindenwold's legacy of kindness continues to touch lives and hearts for generations to come. May the wisdom of Elias Lindenwold's words bring solace to those in need and forge connections among kindred souls, reminding us all that compassion truly matters and that we are never alone on this journey of life. I invite you, dear friends, to stay tuned to the Compassion Matters YouTube channel. There is much more to discover about this enigmatic soul, as well as his heartfelt insights and revelations that are found in these letters. Elias Lindenwold's words are a guiding light for us all, illuminating the path ahead with courage and understanding. Thank you for joining us here at Compassion Matters for this unforgettable expedition of compassion and connection. Together we will explore the depth of Elias's wisdom, one letter at a time, revealing these timeless truths. Remember, dear friends, you are part of this journey too. Your presence, your support, and your compassion matters. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more revelations about Elias Lindenwold and these extraordinary letters. His writing and friendship transcends time and space, offering hope and healing to all of us today who are living with MECFS.
If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. Stay tuned for more valuable content in the future, and thank you for watching.